Let's make this origami spinner together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters and a little bit of glue. And let's start by folding our paper on both center lines. And now open it and also fold it on both diagonal lines. Now open your paper and fold the sides of the paper in to this center line. So one side in to this middle of the paper, press it down, and also bring in the other side. Next, open your paper, turn it around 90 degrees, and now bring these two outside lines into the center line. Next, you will open your paper, turn it around, and you will bring all those four corners to the center of the paper. And the last one. Now unfold them, turn your paper over, and now bring the sides of the paper inwards, like so, and push this bottom line upwards so that these two pockets will open, and press it down, and the same with the other side, so open those two edges. You already have the existing lines, so don't worry about it, and press it down like this. Now take this top left piece of paper and take this flap and rotate it upwards like so, and with this bottom take it the upper layer and rotate it downwards just like this. Now turn your paper over and bring those two four corners of the paper into the center cross right here. So one edge to the center, press it down, second, and now open them to fold in the last, this one. Like this. So your spinner should look something like this. You will lift it up and you will pick one square of the paper. I will pick this bottom one and bring those two edges in together. You already have the existing lines, just close it in together like this. Next, you will turn it around and bring this flap of the paper over, like so. Next, you will open this triangle that you have and press the middle part of it downwards. And now take this upper layer and bring this corner of the paper to this upper corner. So just roll it up like this. And next step, you will take a glue and apply it on this triangle. Like so. And you will take it, pull it outward so that this part opens, and also open this pocket right here, like so, and just press it down. While you're waiting for glue to dry, you will flip your spinner over and you will fold this triangle in half. So align this outside line with this inner line, like so. Press it down. Now place your finger into this pocket right here and pinch this line of the paper together, like so. Now do the same with the second one. So align it with this inner line. Place your finger in it to bring this line of the paper upwards. So pinch it together. And with the last one. Like so. And you have made your origami spinner. Now just place your fingers on both edges and blow into these holes of the paper.